Namaste, friends. This is Rajiv Kulkarni again, welcoming you for my show where I talk about two beautiful quotes every day about life. Yes, today is 31st October 2021. 31st October is being considered as a Halloween day, which is being traditionally followed uh, every year on the 31st of October, and it's basically a eve considered before the All Saints Day, which happens on every November 1st. So the Halloween day is being followed to chase away the ghost, so-called ghost, which come on this day. And so it's being like people wear a lot of different costumes, and in the earlier days, normally the farmers, they were wearing different types of costumes to scare away the ghost. So it's kind of a belief which some people follow, and to welcome the saints the next day, which is November 1st. So that's about Halloween significance that being followed here in the United States, and nowadays across the globe, a lot of people are following for fun sake, just to party around. Anyways, let's come back to the beautiful quotes. First thing is, don't give up in life, because a lot of people have a lot of potential within themselves which they fail to recognize themselves. Unless someone else recognizes, they are really unaware of their own potentials. So friends, do not give up. Keep trying, keep trying, keep trying until you succeed. Yeah, there can be a lot of roller coaster ride you might have to face, you might have to go through. However, that's not the end of the world. There is always a station which is waiting for you, and which can be very fruitful, which can be very successful for you in your life. So, the first quote is, do not give up. Keep trying. Okay. Now, the second one is basically, life is very short, right? We have been experiencing that since last 2 years, ever since this pandemic has begun. So a lot of people have woken up now, and they have started realizing about their lives, right? So life is very short. You cannot rewind, you cannot replay the time. The time and the life keeps moving forward. So friends, with a smiling face, accept the challenges. Like I mentioned yesterday, accept the challenges. Face the situations, face the life. Life is beautiful, right? But it's short. So be nice, be respectful to all the people that you come across, and just face the challenges and face the life with a smiling face. Thank you all for watching me today. I will see you again tomorrow. Have a blessed day.